Hello, traders. I will show you a non-repaint very accurate 5-minute trading strategy. Well, this indicator was initially created by Lux Algo, but it was modified by the author to become a non-repaint indicator. I will be using 3 TradingView indicators for this algo trading strategy. I will teach you where to enter a trade, how to manage your risk, and where to cash out. Both for shorts and long positions. You will learn how to tune the settings of each indicators, and what indicators we will be using. Lastly, I will also backtest the strategy 51 times and show you the results. So, make sure to stick till the end. In this video, I will be using this top free Lux Algo buy-sell signals TradingView indicator strategy. This very effective scalping strategy will generate you massive gains and marry a pretty wife.
For this strategy, I'll be using 3 free TradingView indicators. This is the chart of Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart, but do note that it can be used on other time frames such as 3 minute, 50 minute, and 1 hour. The strategy can be used on all market but most effective for forex, crypto, and stock market. Now let me teach you how to use the indicator. For our first indicator, it consists of this green and red envelope. When the price reaches the green boundary, it acts as a support and will be taking profit at the resistance at the red envelope. Do note that this is not Bollinger Band, but it's a modified version of Nadaraya Watson by Lux Algo. For our second indicator, it provides a very accurate real-time market analysis of the market structure. It is also created by Lux Algo. This indicator provides a lot of relevant features related to smart money concepts such as change of character, CHOCH, and BOS breakout structure like this. It also provides other features such as equal high and equal low, but we are not going to use all of it. So there are only 2 types of feature that you need to focus, which is CHOCH. For the yellow one is the bullish, for the bullish structure, and for the orange this is for bearish structure. For our last indicator, this is a momentum indicator where we take a buy when it reaches the oversold zone and we take a sell when it reaches the overbought zone. Do take note that this light red is the oversold zone and this darker red is the extended oversold zone. Whereas for this one, the lighter green is the overbought zone and this light green is the extended overbought zone. Now let me tell you what indicators we are going to use. Go to Indicator tab. On the search bar, search for Nadaraya Watson. Not this one by Lux Algo, but instead is this one, Non-Repainting by JD Hottie. Add our first indicator to a chart. Go to Settings. On the Style tab, turn off all this. Just follow me to do. We will leave the nearmost region, these 2, on. So follow me. Go in the inputs, change the look back window to 2. This one remain 8 and change this regression bar to 5. Okay, and click OK. Now let's add our second indicator. Go to Indicator tab, search for Smart Money Concept. This one by Lux Algo. Go to the Settings. On the Style tab, there's nothing to change, but on the Inputs tab, turn off all this. Okay, going back to here, change this to yellow and change the bearish structure to orange. Okay, that's all. For our last indicator, search for RSI plus, this one by D7R. Add into it. On the settings, go to Style, turn off all this. Follow me and do all this. Turn off all this clock related stuff. Okay, and only leave this on. Okay, go to input, change the overbought to 75 and change this extended to 80 and change the oversold threshold to 25 and this one to 20. Now let's look for a buy signal. For buy signal, there are 3 rules to follow. The first one is that the price needs to tap the green envelope. And the second rule is that the RSI plus needs to go to oversold zone at around 2025. The third rule is that the smart money concept, it needs to be bullish CHOCH. So I will be taking a buy here. Okay, with a stop loss below the previous swing low, and target is 1:1.5. Okay, or the second condition is that it reached the red envelope. We'll be taking profit like that. Now let's look for another buy. Firstly, the price has to touch the green envelope and the RSI needs to be oversold. And the third, we need to look for this bullish CHOCH. So I'll be taking a buy here with a stop loss below a previous swing low and target is 1:1.5. Let's see what happens next. It hit the target. After showing the buy signals, if you fail to understand this part, please do rewatch it to further understand this strategy. Now let's look for a sell trade. For a sell trade, the price has to hit the red envelope, and the second condition is RSI is either extended overbought or overbought. The third condition is that it needs to have a bearish CHOCH. So we'll be taking a short here and setting the stop loss here, and target is 1:1.5. So it hit the target. Let's look for another sell. So we look at here first. Went to extended overbought. Alright. And now we have a CHOCH. We put the stop loss above the previous swing high, and target is 1:1.5. Let's see what happens next. Okay, after that, it hunt our stop loss before going down.
Now, let's practice the strategy 51 times. The win rate is 92%. To know more about high win rate scalping strategy, check this video.